언니 다 끝나고 할 거 다 끝나고.
언니,
Just be oh, hey Eloy. Hey White. Hey Eloy. Oh, hey Whitey. So, did you meet the new girl Brownie? You mean the camel with a pretty scarf? Yeah, have you met her? Yeah, I met her yesterday actually.
이거 해수
At
먹던
the
거.
park. Oh,
요거.
did she tell you about me? Actually, yeah, she said, she met you.
껍데기 먹지 말고.
Yeah, I did. Actually, we kind of little bumped into each other when we were coming. Oh, has she told you where you live? I don't think so, but she said she didn't tell me what school she go to. Oh, she goes to Lowell. Like us. Yeah, I know, right? Anyway, since did she get
제가
surprised that
말하는
you were
지금
so
대사가
tall?
어디서 나온 거야?
Yeah. Oh no!
자기가 그냥 만든 거죠.
The baby
장난으로
apocalypse.
하는 거지.
The baby apocalypse. No, the baby.
언니 쉬어하는데 그러면 안 되지. 일로 오세요. 일로 오세요. 쭉쭉 나오세요. 밑에 내려서 아무도 없어. 일로 오세요.
Anyway, let's meet. So has she said she has any lies? No, actually, she said she was actually the honest person. Honest. Yeah, because some people, they can sometimes pretend they're not lying, but they actually are. We try not to be lied, but then we actually became, trustworthy. Yeah, no, that's bad. Well, I have to go. My piano lesson starts in 10 minutes. Oh, see ya, Whitey. See ya. See ya, Whitey. See ya. Well, since I'm out here, I probably should go to the park. I wonder if I'll meet that brownie girl. Oh, sorry, Ellie. It's okay, brownie. Are you in a hurry? I'm actually in a hurry since it's almost 5, and that's usually when I go home and study and stuff. Study? Yeah, a little run for my class because I was kind of a little smart at my old school, so I actually kind of need, since I'm kind of a little ahead, I need to study a lot more stuff. Is it hard? Actually, no, since I'm actually a little smarter than since anybody, so I just have to study for like 30 minutes, and then I have a little bit of free time, and then I have to do more, and I eat dinner, and get settled. Oh, nice. Isn't it kind of boring when you do these stuff? Actually, it's kind of a little boring, but I actually love it sometimes. Nice. So how